Recent SAT scores for college-bound seniors are normally distributed with a mean score of 508 and standard deviation of 121. How does the empirical rule help you understand the performance of individual students? So now let's take a look. Let's go ahead and let's get some values here for our scores. So my mean, it says, is 508. So here's my mean. And now when I'm moving to the right, each time I'm going to add that standard deviation of 121. So here I'm going to have 629. I'm going to add another 121. I get 750. And adding another 121, 871. That kind of ran together, 871. And now as I go to the left of the mean, I subtract. So 508 minus 121 is 387. Subtract again, 266. Subtract 121 again, we get 145. So now we are asked, what proportion of students receive scores between 387 and 629? So again, here's 387, and here's 629. So all of my data values fall in there. So that is going to be 68% of my students. What proportion of students receive scores greater than 387? So here's 387. So I'm considering everything from here all the way to the very end. So multiple ways to look at this. I would need to add up all of these little intervals. So I can think of it this way. I could think of it as, okay, well, from the mean right is 50% of my data, 50 plus, and then what I have here is 34%. So 50 plus 34% is 84%. You could also look at it. You know that this is 68%. And then in here we have 13.5%. Here we have 2.35%. And here we have 0.15%. So you could literally just add them up. It just depends on how you want to approach it. But your answer is going to be 84%. And now let's take a look at your try-its. Your try-its use the same data. Find the proportion of students who earned SAT math scores in the following ranges: 266 and 750. So 266, let me get out another color pen. We are looking at 266, 750. So from here, 266 and 750 to here. Well, that lines right up there with our second two deviations from the mean. So the answer to that question is going to be 95%. And B, between 266 and 629. 266, 629. So from 266 to 629. So all of the data in this interval. Well, here I have 68% and here I have 13.5%. So I'm just going to take 68% plus 13.5%, and that gets me 81.5%.